Hi guys! Julia here, your English tutor. Have you ever said make homework and do mistake? Well, native speakers never say that. Today, I will teach you 10 powerful English collocations that can help you sound more confident and naturally, just like a native. So, what is a collocation? Collocation when two words naturally go together. For example, do homework or make a mistake. Sometimes, even if grammar seems okay, wrong combination can sound weird. So, let's fix that with 10 common ones you can start using right now. Our first common collocation is do homework. A lot of people say make homework. Totally wrong. Correct one, do homework. For example, I have to do my homework before dinner. Make a decision or do a decision. Of course, make a decision. I need to make a decision by Friday. When you see that someone is tired, you can use the collocation take a break. Like, you look very tired. I think you should take a break. Now is autumn and there is high probability to catch a cold. Catch a cold, our fourth common collocation. Example, she didn't wear a jacket, so she caught a cold. Collocation number 5 is break the rules. Like, don't break the rules in a game. Our sixth collocation is save money. Big problem of a lot of people. For example, she's trying to save money for a trip to Italy. Hi to all my Italian learners, by the way. Teachers love this collocation number 7. Pay attention. And I use it maybe 100 times in a day. For example, please pay attention to the instructions. When you want to have a contact with another person, you can always use collocation keep in touch. For example, let's keep in touch after your move, okay? This collocation exists in a lot of languages. Strong coffee, because a lot of people love drinking coffee. For example, I need a cup of strong coffee to wake up today. So our final collocation is heavy rain. It's rainy season, and when you have a lot of rain, you can say heavy rain. For example, there was heavy rain all night long. So now it's a quiz time. Let's do a quick quiz together. Which one is correct? Do homework, make homework. Do homework. Pay attention or give attention. Pay attention. Get a cold or catch a cold. Catch a cold. So, as you can see, collocations are one of the easiest ways to sound more fluent. When you use right combination of words, you can sound more natural, even with simple vocabulary. Which collocation will you start using today? Comment below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye!